Yo, how are we doing, YouTube? How are we feeling today? How we doing today? I'm basically gonna be showing you guys a trade that I took today. I took roughly, I think I took three trades, but it's gonna say four, and I'm gonna explain the reason why it's gonna say four trades. I took a loss as my first trade. I bought instead of selling. I was trying to sell in the second, and then I went break even slightly. I did take partials, and then I went break even. Then I took full TP for my last position. I was looking to go long then short today. I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took. It was a good win. We secured mainly about $1,000 overall. We did lose a good amount, but then we got back what we lost plus more. So I'm sure you guys the trade. I'm gonna show you guys how it went. I'm also taking this trade on I'm taking this trade also on Top Step as well. You probably can't see it, but I called these shorts literally yesterday. I'm gonna put it in the video, but I literally called these shorts yesterday. If I could show you guys, I literally called these shorts yesterday. You probably can't see it. It's probably fucked up. It's whatever. But I'm gonna show like a little video of me literally calling these shorts yesterday. I took these shorts around like maybe 5 o'clock. This was before I had class. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna explain that. I'm gonna explain basically why I thought we were gonna go short going into the day. I'm not gonna lie, I look black as fuck. I look black as shit, but it's okay. Y'all gonna have to deal with the quality at the end of the day. Um, so damn, are we gonna reverse though? All right, I'm gonna show you guys everything and why, and my confluence is why I was looking to go long, then why I was looking to go short. All right, so going into the day, let's look at the hourly. Um, we had the reason why I was looking to go long previously was because we had a 4 hour SMT, bullish SMT inside of this 4 hour for value gap. So I was looking, okay, cool. If we hold this, then we're most likely gonna go look to go long. As you see here, Nasdaq failed to take out the low, and I'm pretty sure it was London session lows and Asia session lows that the Nasdaq failed to take out. Let me go. Yeah, London session lows and Asia session lows, which they eventually ended up taking. I thought we were going to end up going long again. That's why I put another SMT there. But yeah, we had a SMT that was holding. As you see, price was respecting it. Everything was being respected, and yeah, price was moving in the way that I thought. So what I was looking for was this swing high, swing low into. I was looking for this swing high, swing low into this swing high, and for that to be respected into this 30-minute gap right here, right? But then I realized this was before a market session, so I was like, okay, cool. We're just gonna displace lower, and we're just gonna drop, right? Take out London session lows and drop. Nasdaq took out London session lows, but ES failed to take out London session lows at the time. And I'm not gonna lie, I also took this trade, and the reason why I'm kind of upset that I took this trade was because I took this trade off of somebody else. Stupid, right? I saw that he entered off of the 3 minute, so I was like, okay, cool, let me secure profits. I entered here from this 3 minute, and I told myself beforehand, Jamal, that's not how you trade because you only go off the highest time frame inversion, which is this 5 minute. I should have waited for this 5 minute to be inversed before I thought, okay, cool, we're definitely gonna continue moving up. Honestly, bro, that's on me. The loss that I took was on me. I probably would have had a win and kept it pushing for the day and wouldn't need to be in four different trades. Literally, I didn't overtrade. Well, I didn't FOMO trade. I traded off of my conviction. But genuinely speaking, I would not have to been in the position that I was because I took. If I had believed in my setup, if I believed in my system, which I 100% do, but I was focused on somebody else taking the same trade because they're a pro trader or whatever, I would have been in a better standing. I would have waited for this 5 minute to be inversed. If this was not inversed, then it's like, okay, cool. Then we're looking for shorts. We're continuing to go lower. And that was my bias since yesterday because I already saw since yesterday, as you see here, I was looking to go short because we created a SMT right here. It was an SMT that we had that was holding, which is why I was already looking to go short. As you see here, I'm about to analyze the whole SMT for you. This is why I was looking to go short because I saw that. And then price came and it was holding in Asia session. It was holding the fair value gap. It was holding everything. So once I saw that price came into this 1 hour fair value gap in the morning, and I was like, all right, cool. It's two biases we have going into the day. We're either going to rip down or we're going to displace back higher. And I was like, okay, cool. We'll just watch the market and see what's going to happen. Honestly, my loss was 100% on me because I didn't believe in my system and I didn't believe in my strategy. But we managed to take two other wins at the end of the day, so that's good. But this right here could have been completely avoided if I just trusted my rules, trusted my system, and wasn't thinking of somebody else. And that's why I'm gonna really just stay off the media, stay off like I'm gonna post my content on Instagram, TikTok, and stuff like that. Obviously YouTube. But when it comes to watching somebody else's strategy, how they trade, I'm not gonna pay attention to none of that. I don't care if you're a pro trader, I don't care if you're a rookie trader, I don't care if you're the best trader in the world, as you claim. I believe in my system, I believe in my strategy, and that's what keeps me going. So from now on, I'm not gonna focus on nothing. I don't care if people are giving out free live videos on Discord. I don't care. I'm gonna focus on my setup. I'm gonna focus on my system, and I'm not gonna let nobody else discourage my trading at all because I trade different from other people. This is all just a learning progress for me, and I'm gonna stick to it. This right here could have been completely avoided. So I'm kind of like, it's whatever. I didn't risk a lot, but since I was up, I did risk around 500, which brought me back to 100 after I lost a trade. Boom, cool. So then going on into the day, continuing down, I was like, all right, we're just ripping down lower. And the reason why I was like, okay, cool, we're definitely disrespecting bullish pressure. I saw that 2 minutes left. There were 2 minutes left into the candle close on this 4 hour, right? And I was like, you know what? Let me see something. Let me see something. And my TP's actually right here. I don't know why it said it hit my shit, but it didn't. Unless it hit on Nasdaq. It did hit on Nasdaq. That's why. Hopefully we get a candle close. If we get a candle close, we're in better standing. But I'm taking this also on my top step. Well, it closed, but I'm taking this also on my top step. But yeah. So I'm gonna let price do it at once, and then hopefully, if we want to keep dropping lower and displacing, we could just take out all these low resistance liquid. Well, not low. All these sell side liquidity inefficiencies, and once we take that out, we're just gonna continue displacing down, and then hopefully retrace back up. Oh well, we just hit TP. Just looks like it. Just let me check my phone. I think we just hit TP. We just hit TP. Yes, we just hit TP, and now we're gonna let the runners run. Okay, we just hit TP, and now we're gonna let the runners run. We're gonna see what price is gonna do. We could go break even here. Um, or I'll just move my stop loss slightly lower because I realized the way I entered was kind of bad. We're gonna move our stop loss to that 5 minute for value gap. So if price respects that, we continue displacing. But yeah, we just took profit from that. We're gonna see what happens with price. If we end up reversing, we end up reversing. Matter of fact, let me just go break even because we already took TP1. Let's just go break even. One thing I'm not gonna do is care so much about profits. It's not the end of the world. We're still gonna end up winning at the end of the day. It's all with God and it's all with our system. But yes, as price disrespected this bullish 4 hour fair value gap, I immediately said, okay, cool. No longer looking for buys. We're looking for shorts, right? So as price came, I entered, but I bought. That's what happened. I bought. I accidentally bought instead of selling. So right here, this trade that you see in this candle right here, this trade was a buy, and I wasn't looking to buy. I was looking to sell. So I was like, damn, I entered on the wrong thing. So then that's why I had much more. I had a weirder position. I had a weirder position. So then after I did enter on this candle right here, this candle was really just a buy, and I lost about $100 from that. So then I'm basically back at where I was started. I didn't know. I thought that I was selling, but unfortunately, I guess I entered too fast. I was let all the adrenaline going on because market was moving and displacing lower. I was like, okay, cool. But as you see here, price came. I entered right here, and to be honest, we edged TP. Like as you see here, bro, this isn't even a tick, bro. This is a micro penis. This is a micro penis, as you see right here, bro. We edged our TP. We literally edged our TP as we came down. We were this close to taking out the low. I did take partials. I did take partials someplace over here. Like I took partials once we came to the 50% range. So like right around here, we took partials. But then after we took partials, I went to break even. So I did not lose a trade. I didn't get stopped out. I just went break even after I took partials. I took some profit, and then that's when I took on. I was looking to take this on MNQ, but I took it on NQ. So it was one contract. And then I was like, okay, cool. We're going to start again. Let's rip lower. You know what I'm saying? Let's continue to go lower. It was like right here when I entered. And then, cause after right here, it was right, yeah, it was somewhere right here. Cause right here it was like, okay, cool. We're disrespecting this for a value gap. We tapped into a 5 minute. As you see, hold on. As you see here, we tapped into this 5 minute. Disrespected the 5 minute. This is a better 5 minute to show you. I apologize, but disrespected the 5 minute for value gap after we disrespected the 5 minute, which not only is in our range, right in the 50% range. I was like, okay, cool. We're definitely looking to display slower. I'm going to catch an entry. So after that, we tapped into our zone. After we tapped into our zone, TP was hit, and then we brought the balance back to where we started plus more. So we won about like, we won, we won like 1100 on the day. 1100 plus the profit that we got from Top Step, but we did take a slight loss in the beginning also, so we're probably break even on Top Step because of the first trade that we took. So we won mainly about like $1,100 today. Won about 1100. We only need 1900 left to pass the evaluation, or 18 something to pass the evaluation. Once we pass the evaluation, all my discipline, all my rules, they're going to stay the same. I'm going to tell myself this as I become a funded trader. Once I get my evaluation back and we're back to grinding to scale our account, stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay committed. Stay committed to my strategy. Do not give up on my strategy, because my strategy is what's going to keep me sane in the market and allow me to have good risk management, allow me to trust my system and trust my edge. And that's just what I got to do. I got to stay consistent. That's one thing that I need to start doing, and that's staying consistent to my strategy. Today, I played my strategy, and I played my second model. I have two models. I do an inverse fair value gap, and I also do continuation fair value gaps. And I wait for price to give me that signal before I end up entering in the market, and wait for the displacement in at least two candle closes before I enter the market. I could do it. You could do it too. Trust me. I'm no better than you. I'm no better than you. I probably have horrible psychology, horrible risk management compared to you. Anything I could do, you could probably do better. And I mean that genuinely. Genuinely. You don't have to be skillful. You don't have to be successful. You don't have to be talented. You don't have to just have no type of skill set or talent to do this. You just have to stay consistent and trust yourself. Have confidence in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you could do this. I'm no better than you. I'm just a college student that studies electrical engineering. This doesn't even correlate to electrical engineering at all. But yeah, this is something that I want to make a full-time job, something that I know I could take my family out the hood. I know I'm going to be able to come home with my mom's dream car one day. You know what I'm saying? I believe it, and you got to believe it too. It's all about yourself. It's you versus you. And I'm going to keep telling you this the same way I'm telling myself this, and I'm going to document this journey to show you I will be a profitable trader. I will make it out the hood. We're gonna all make it out the hood. I'm gonna put the guys on, because all the guys, I want the guys to eat. I want the guys to win. You know what I'm saying? It's possible. You just have to trust yourself. And today, it shows, man. It shows. I will keep grinding. I will keep going. I do want to see what price is gonna do. We're probably just, obviously, because all that liquidity that we took out today, we're just generating right now. But it looks like we have a lot of low resistance liquidity that looks like it wants to be taken out. But I want to see what price exactly looking to do today. But yeah, guys, that's really just the video. Basically took 4 trades, really realistically 3 trades. I took one loss, a win and a break even, a win slash break even, and then we took a full on TP hit. You know what I'm saying? The one that I went buy on, the one that I bought, I did not intend to buy it, but you know, things just happen and it's fine. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys the video. I wanted to show you guys that it's possible, that you could do it too. I love you guys. Please stay up. Please stay blessed and continue grinding at all times. I'm going to show you guys towards the end of the video my bias and why I believe that I thought price was going to displace lower. And we literally did. I'll actually show it to you right now before I end up turning this off. But look, we just hit it. I think we just hit it. Yeah, today. 3,000, bro. I had a 1500 stop loss and we hit it. Full on TP was hit. Look at where I started, bro. Look, I'm not lying. November 5th at around 449. I was like, we're looking to displace lower. I had I entered right here. Stop loss was literally above the S&T, and my TP was all the way down here. And I literally said, we're going to displace lower. I said this, bro. This was one of the best. Like, it's crazy how I didn't take this trade on none of my accounts because at the end of the day, it's like I didn't want to take it in the session that wasn't the best. But I really did believe in I believed in my system and I believed in my strategy. I wanted to go. I went break even at a point and on my top step because I did take this on my combine, but because we went break even, it was like around 1 o'clock. I went break even around like it was like right around here or some shit. Like I went break even there. Once we hit our break even point, I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna put my thing to break even. What's going on? I do not play Fortnite. I don't play Fortnite. I barely even play the game. But yeah, I was looking to displace lower. I was looking to go down 11:44. That's my time. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I believe that we were going to displace lower. It's crazy going into the day today. I had a bullish bias because of this displacement that we had today. But overall, I always had a bearish bias. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Love you guys always. Please take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Be safe. God bless. And love always. I'm really black as shit. Y'all niggas can't even see me. What's the point of making clips today? But yeah, it's whatever. Love always.